Hey, welcome to the channel. It's Noble Credit. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you what the best beginner credit card is for those of you who are active duty military. Now, I'm an active duty service member and I've been doing videos like this for years. I've had dozens and dozens of cards. I still do. I do a lot of travel related to credit cards. I get a lot of perks from credit cards. I know what I'm talking about pretty much when it comes to credit cards. I've referred out plenty of people to the best beginner credit cards in the market. I've also made videos, I've gotten tens and thousands of views on the best beginner credit cards. So what's the best beginner credit card for those of you who are new to the military? And it's going to come as a surprise because it's going to be a different credit card than everyone else that you know has. Everyone else that you know probably has a credit card that looks a little something like this. This is the Cash Rewards credit card by Navy Federal. Now, the credit card that we're going to focus on is actually going to be a Navy Federal credit card. But before I move forward, let me show you this thing. This is called a pre-qualified tool. It means you can pre-qualify for a credit card as long as you are a member of Navy Federal and your pre-qualification will not affect your credit score. So it gives you the confidence to be able to apply for a card and know or have a pretty good idea that you're going to get approved without affecting your credit score. So I recommend you use this pre-qualified tool. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to compare 3 different credit cards. That Go Rewards credit card, that Cash Rewards credit card, the More Rewards credit card, and the Go Rewards credit card. Now, why am I not including this Visa Signature flagship credit card? Because it has a $49 annual fee. The best beginner card has to have no annual fee. That's 1. 2, I don't like this card. I think this card is a scam for active duty service members, especially when you get cards for $550 annual fees for free thanks to the Military Lending Act. Cards such as the Chase Sapphire Reserve, the American Express Platinum, you get these cards for free thanks to the Military Lending Act. So no cards with an annual fee is going to make this list. And especially with Navy Federal, I highly discourage people from getting the flagship rewards credit card. Now, the reason why the Platinum card, the Navy Federal Platinum card, is not going to be included in this list is because it's a balance transfer card. And then the N Rewards card isn't going to be included because that's a secured credit card. You don't need that unless you have bad credit and you're trying to develop good credit by getting a card where you have to fund your own credit limit. I don't expect you to be in that position. So let's use this compare tool right now. So we have on the left, the Navy Federal Cash Rewards card. And then we have in the middle, the More Rewards card, and on the right, the Go Rewards card. I personally have this Go Rewards card, but that doesn't mean that that's the best card to get for you. I got the card as soon as I became eligible for a Navy Federal account. This is the card that I got. It was while I was still in the delayed entry program, before I even shipped off. So I got the Go Rewards card before I was even officially in the military. If I could go back, would I get that? I would still get the same card, but not for the reason that you think. I would get the same card because this middle one, this More Rewards card, didn't exist back then. So let's see what you get with each of these cards and why I think the More Rewards card is actually the better bet. So the Cash Rewards card is a really big cashback card because it's going to give you 1.75% cash back on all purchases, which is pretty good because it's not quite 1.5% and it's not quite 2%. It's in the middle, 1.75%. Pretty good on every purchase. You could do worse. Then the middle card, the More Rewards card, gives you 3x at restaurants and on food delivery, 3x at supermarkets, 3x on gas and transit, 1x on everything else. And then the Go Rewards card gives you 3x at restaurants, 2x on gas, and 1x on everything else. The Go Rewards card should almost automatically be eliminated because the More Rewards card gives you 3x at restaurants and on food delivery, the exact same as the Go Rewards card. And then it gives you 3x on gas and transit, even better than the Go Rewards card. So the Go Rewards card is a losing card automatically. So we can actually just get rid of the Go Rewards card because this middle card handles all the benefits of the Go Rewards card and more. So, but just eliminate it in your head. I'll keep it on the screen. Now for redeeming the rewards, you can redeem the Cash Rewards card for cash or statement credits, and there's no limit on the rewards you can accrue, and the points don't expire while your account is open. It's the same case for all of the other cards, except for the More Rewards card, you can redeem for cash, travel, gift cards, merchandise, and then there's no limit on the amount of rewards you can accrue. And then for the Go Rewards card, you redeem for cash, travel, gift cards, merchandise, same thing. There's no limit on the rewards you can accrue. Now, the special offer for each card, the cash rewards card, this is when you first sign up for the card. And they give you this introductory bonus. You could earn $250 bonus cash when you spend $2,500 within the first 90 days of account opening. Plus, get a one-time $98 statement credit when you pay $49 or more for an annual Walmart Plus membership. I will tell you why this second part, don't do this, because I have a way for you to get this Walmart Plus membership for free. Stay to the end of the video. So, okay, that's offer one. Offer two, the more rewards, you can earn 20,000 bonus points, a $200 value, so a little less than the $250 bonus cash when you spend $1,500. So the sign up bonus spend requirement is actually less for this more rewards card. And then you get the $49 statement credit when you pay $49 or more for the annual Walmart Plus membership. So that's kind of the same as the cash rewards card. But like I said, if you stay to the end of the video, I have a way for you to get that Walmart Plus membership for free. And then the Go Rewards card, you can earn 10,000 bonus points when you spend $500 within the first 90 days of account opening. Plus, you can save on purchases with a 1.99% APR for 9 months. This is not a good deal because there are plenty of cards out there that give you a 0% intro APR for 12 months. This is a 1.99% APR for 9 months. That's a no-go. And then the 10,000 bonus points, this is not worth it. This middle card, the more rewards card, is clearly more worth it. And this is not called an American Express card. This is a Navy Federal card. It's just American Express is the processor for it, just like Visa or MasterCard. And then now we get down to the variable interest rate. It's going to be the same for all of these cards. No annual fee on any of these cards. Now, going through this list, we can automatically eliminate the Go Rewards card because it's no good. Now, we just focus on the cash rewards card and the more rewards card. Let's look at the reward structure. What are you spending the most money on? If you're a young service member, you're probably spending it on restaurants and food delivery or supermarkets, gas. You're probably spending the most money in these categories that give you the most return that's outside of this 1X category, which is everything else. So because you spend the most money here, you would actually probably fare better with this card. Now, if you spend more money outside of these categories, like you don't go to supermarkets, you don't spend money on gas, or you don't eat out at restaurants, you might be better off with the cash rewards card. But in general, you're probably spending more money on these two categories, which would give you the better return on your spend. And then when you go down to the special offer, the bonus offer is better. You only have to spend $1,500, which is $500 per month in the first 90 days in order to get the 20,000 bonus points. That's easy. For some of you, that's like a car note. So the more rewards card wins at the end of the day, but can you actually get approved for the more rewards card? Yes. Do the pre-qualify tool. Hopefully you're a member of Navy Federal. Do the pre-qualify tool to see if you will get approved. And when it comes back and says you are pre-approved, go ahead and apply. So I hope I made it clear that the More Rewards card is the best card for you to get as a beginner. It may not seem like a beginner credit card, but I'm sure you will be pre-approved for the card. It's just the best that Navy Federal has to offer. Now, why get a beginner credit card? Why get a credit card at all? First, you're trying to build credit. Second, you want to use your credit card like a debit card so you can build the credit without going into the pitfalls that some credit cards could cause for you, such as overspending or thinking you have money that you don't have, and then you're paying 18% interest on things that only cost you about $10. And then when you want to go apply for different loan products, such as a mortgage, a bank will see your credit history, and then they will see that you have been responsible with credit lent to you from an institution such as a credit union like Navy Federal, or you have a car loan that you've been paying on time for, and then they're going to see the responsible behavior that you've exhibited, and then they're going to be more likely to offer you their products at better interest rates. So if I could start over with a Navy Federal credit card and the More Rewards card was around when I first came in, I would start off with this More Rewards credit card. Now, the cash rewards card is fine. It's a catch-all. It's 1.75% cash back on everything. It's fine. You didn't lose because you got the cash rewards card, but you are winning if you get the More Rewards card. Now, after you get the More Rewards card, then I'll teach you how to get some of the best credit cards on the market. You can start learning that by subscribing to the channel and hitting the notification bell, because I specifically make videos for those of you who are active duty military so that you can build your credit, apply for the cards that you want, be able to be approved, use credit cards to your benefits, use the bank's money to make money, purchase assets, and begin your path of building generational wealth for you and your families. Now, I told you at the end of the video that I will provide you with a helpful little hint on how you can get that Walmart Plus credit for free. Here's a hint. There's a credit card out there. It's actually a charge card, but it's a credit card. It's called the American Express Platinum Card. You, as an active duty service member, you get this card for free. Even though it's a $695 annual fee card, you actually get it for free because of the Military Lending Act. American Express, they say, thank you for your service. You don't have to pay this annual fee for this card, and they give it to you for free. And then that card comes with a statement credit for Walmart Plus. I personally have a bunch of American Express Platinum cards, but I only use one of them for the Walmart Plus credit. You get many more benefits with that American Express Platinum card, and I talk about that more in this video right here. Peace.